They still. Yeah, it's it. Thank you. What do you want? It's fine, man. And I don't copy me out of Abacha. Thank you. So I'll do Abacha and
Isn't it titles for dry fish?
how much is different? What's different?
The dry fish is 10,000.
With the dry fish, how much?
Only the dry fish is 10,000.
Okay.
The titles fish is 5,000.
Let me do dry fish.
Sorry, Mountain. What are you drinking?
Minute days. Make it snap.
It's not easy for them to release us from the house, so hurry, fast, quick. I can't even wear short skirts on top. Hiya. You guys. We check. Hi guys. Hi. You guys, we came out to actually have a relaxing mommy's day out. Literally, is this one mommy's day out or even the single ladies days out? I need to show you guys my outfit. Mr. Obichus could not even believe as I was walking through that door. As I was going through that door, I couldn't believe. I don't know how, I just don't know how God created me this way. Sometimes when I feel again, our days of enjoyment is now. Hey, one of my friends, Sophie, this now her favorite drink, Benoff needs to even sign her up. Yesterday. Oh, I love this boy. Can you just remember his name? Timmy Toka's friend. Ooh, Shamama. Thank you. I really want to know if they still, you guys, my children are in the room with me. I had such a swell time yesterday. I literally had such a swell time yesterday. You guys, my mom was saying that when he says to me, let's go out, I will go and throw on boo-boo. But yesterday I was going out with my friend. You guys, we went to go and chill, drink. Of course, you guys know that I will always drink Origin. But I had a swell time yesterday. Let's just skip that. I want to actually take my time and arrange this room. I don't know what the cleaners have been doing. I don't know if they are scared of touching like my personal items, or not even them even being scared of touching my personal items. You guys, Kama is climbing, so she climbs literally everywhere to scatter where I keep my dead deodorant I keep my makeup purses and different things. She scatters it. So I'm not even going to put the blame on the people that come to clean, but it's kaima. By the time I come up on work, everywhere is scattered. So I want to try and arrange, but I'm going to be doing really with them because they are inside the room here with me. I also want to know, are there mothers that still stock up like dusting powder for their children? What is it, mommy? You guys, who's daddy? Are they still mother? I'm not daddy. Say mommy. Daddy. Mommy. Mommy. You guys, this girl knows what she's doing. She can actually say mommy, but just prefers to call me daddy. I don't know if I have a must. What do you want, baby? Come and say to them, hey guys. Bobo, where are you? My Bobo is not happy. Mama, see them now. Say hey guys. Hey guys. Alright, go down. Let me finish talking to them. I'll be back to you. They adore you so much. Daddy. Which daddy? Leave me. Daddy. But anyways, are there still mothers like me that actually stock up on dusting powder? You guys, the weather in Nigeria has been so hot, and I just feel like how we were brought up, you know, even as much as we want to change one or two things in this our time of raising of our children and all, we will still do some things and liken it to how our parents brought us up. Like, we'll still do some things that our parents did for us. Everything is not going to totally go down in these things. We're still going to be doing some certain things for our children. But that even brings me to another conversation, right? I feel like, I don't know if it's just me, if there are mothers that feel this same way that I feel, please let me know in the comment section. I feel like these are a generation of mothers, right? Some, not all, but these are a generation of mothers. Like, we feel like our children are such burdens, you know, like always complaining, they're stressing me, I'm stressed out, I'm this, I'm that. Like, if they told you not to have them, you would not listen. If they told you not to have them, or if they told you like all that it entails to actually be a mother, or all that it entails to actually be a wife, or not even just be a wife, all that it entails to actually be a mother of young children, I feel like you will not listen. Like, we grew up seeing our parents having family units, and you know, literally everybody around us, because in Nigeria it's a normal thing for you to be married at a certain age and have your own family. So growing up, seeing all of these things had an effect on, you know, a lot of us, and we desire to have our own homes. But I feel like in this our generation now, I don't know how to explain it to you guys that you guys will genuinely understand. I feel like I see a lot of mothers complain, like these days, like there are a lot of complaints. My children are stressing me out, I need a break. Like, I'm not even going to sit down here and downplay that there are some times that you actually need a break, there are some times that you actually need to breathe. But you guys, I feel like this is like a sacrificial stage of your life. If I will put it that way, I don't know if I'm making sense to you guys. If I will put it that way, this is like a sacrificial stage of your life. These children are never going to be 1 year, 4 years, 2 years old. They are going to grow to a point where they don't even need you, not even dependent on you anymore. And it's that point you'll be missing them and wishing they were around you, or they could come back for holidays and spend Christmas and New Year's with you. But I just feel like these are generation mothers. It's like, oh my god, my children are like budding. Oh my god, I just, you know, I cooked for my family and it's so stressful. Oh my god, you need to actually go and tan and, you know, get a massage or something. Like, oh my god, it's so stressful, it's so I just want my children away from me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I get it, but at the same time, for me, there's no life for me without my children. There's no life for me. See, once I come back from work, my children are with me till they fall asleep. Okay, they're with me till they fall asleep. We're even in the room now. We're about to arrange the room together. My Saturdays, I realized that my Saturdays got very busy, very busy. And if you guys have noticed, my Saturdays. Thankfully, I have put in a structure in my business that even if I'm not present, I have my people that go there and do what they need to do. But what happens in most cases is that they're not able to send me pictures because their phones don't really have like good photo quality for me to post on my Instagram page. So what they call it, but I have people that I have put in to go, and I'm just rambling. Let me get to arranging. I'm going to be making moi for dinner. Mama, leave these things, leave it. I'm going to be making moi for dinner, but let me just arrange the room first. And yeah, let's arrange together. Baba, why are you sad? Where I genuinely even want to arrange. You guys, look at this. Look at this. People say they come to clean, but I should stop flashing.
It's the flashing.
You guys, this convince now is now 4,000. I have had a really stressful day today, but in the spirit of International Women's Day still and women supporting women. Bobo, just hold on 1 second, okay baby? I'm just trying to finish up a video. So in the spirit of International Women's Day and women supporting women, you guys, I received, you know, package from, I think I mentioned it, an update on like my ex nanny Meryl, that, you know, a subscriber reached out to me to say she has some baby items that she would like to send to me to give it to her as well. So you guys, look at my house, let me show you. So you guys, look at the items. Just look at this. This is manual baby pump. This is a baby bath, and this is a baby bed. You guys, this is baby rocker. You guys, just thank Patricia for me. I can't even explain. The community of women that I have here is so amazing. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. So I would call Meru now to tell her to come to the house later this evening, so that her. Try to stop disturbing girl for jollof rice. Let me call her to tell her to come by later this evening to pick up these items. Hopefully she picks. I'm calling her. You guys, she will not believe what's going on. Steven, are you done cleaning? Okay. You people, my room, that place that the basket is, where my cream and makeup is, you did not remove by the side. Which day I was removing by the side. If you see the dirty that is there. Okay. She's not picking, but hopefully she will call me back later and I will give her these items. If I'm at home, I will do a video for you guys. And you guys, please just thank Patricia. She's a subscriber here on my YouTube channel. So please just... Kaito, what is it? You want to eat jollof rice? Just hold on. Mommy will cook jollof rice this evening. But yeah, you guys, thank you, Patricia. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you to Boomsy's tribe, Boomsy's army. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for being amazing. Thank you for being outstanding women. Thank you for being empathetic women. Thank you for being women with passion, being women with class, being women with empathy, with conscience. I cannot thank you guys enough. Thank you so much, and I really do appreciate you guys. And this just actually brings me to the end of this video. Hopefully, you know, don't click out. I would show where I give Mero this stuff when she comes by, and then probably we use that scene to end this video. But yeah, thank you guys for all the love, all the genuine support, like all the genuine support and all the love. We are like 11,500 subscribers, but I feel you guys impact, and thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. All this is for your baby. This one, my friend, this one is a breast pump with bottle, baby bottle. You guys, Mero came back. I came to Mero don't go make fine hair. For that moment, don't go make fine hair. Why the laugh? Anyway, she came to come and pick up the stuff. Let me see if I can call. Go and call one of them to help you, man. But I will be carrying it down sponsor, but call one of them to help you. See this one, suppose Gadget, they play football. Oh yeah. You guys, you're welcome. Thank Patricia more. She did an amazing job. You guys, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Thank you.